wifies that gave me the spyglass. It's all yours.